Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create GoToTraining registrant for Instagram lead ads lead. So let's suppose I am running tech business and I am also conducting training for the same, and for that training I am collecting all my leads with the help of Instagram lead ads. Now I want that whenever I receive a new lead, a registrant should be automatically created in my GoToTraining account. Doing this manually will be a very time consuming task, so I am completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Instagram lead ads and GoToTraining. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I will receive new lead in my Instagram lead ads, a registrant will be automatically created in my GoToTraining account. Now, if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create GoToTraining registrant for Instagram lead ads lead. For this, I have created an automation workflow where I have built connection between Instagram lead ads and GoToTraining, and now we are going to check this automation workflow whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'll be opening my lead ads testing tool, and from over here, I am going to submit the form. And if a registrant is created in my GoToTraining account, this means this automation workflow is working fine. So here I am going to open my lead ads testing tool and fill some dummy details in all these fields. So let's say my first name is latest, my last name is user, my email address is latest@pablitudes.com, and then my phone number is this. And now I'm going to click on this continue and then click on this submit. Here, as soon as I've done this form submission, a registrant should be created in my GoToTraining account. So let's open my GoToTraining and let's refresh this page once. So here I can see that one registrant has been created. Let's open this. And here I can see that I have created this latest user. The email address that we entered was latest@pablitudes.com. The registration date has also been recorded. So this is how this automation workflow will run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create GoToTraining registrant for Instagram leads ad lead. For this, we are going to create automation between Instagram lead ads and GoToTraining with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/INR/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I've created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button, and first I need to provide the workflow name and then have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to create GoToTraining registrant for Instagram lead ads lead, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and here I am going to select this Instagram automations and then click on create. Now here, as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, an action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create GoToTraining registrant for Instagram lead ads lead, which means whenever I will receive new lead in my Instagram lead ads, a registrant will be created in my GoToTraining account, which means whenever I will receive new leads from my Instagram lead ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So when I receive new lead from my Instagram lead ads and an action says do this, then create GoToTraining registrant. So I'll be taking trigger application as Instagram lead ads and then my action application as GoToTraining. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to take Instagram lead ads. And then in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new lead instant. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, click on the save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Over here, I can see this you previously logged into Pabbly Connect with Facebook. Would you like to continue? And this is my Facebook account. Now first, before clicking on this continue, I want to tell you one important step. I have made connection between my Instagram and my Facebook. And to show you this, I'm going to open my Instagram account. This is my Instagram account. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to click on this more and then go to the settings, from where I have to click on the see more in account center. Now over here I can see that my Instagram and my Facebook are connected. Now whenever I will be making the form submission in my lead ads testing tool, which is under Meta for Developers, I will receive the lead in my workflow after making the connection. Now here this is my Facebook account, and with the help of this page I am going to run all the advertisements, and as I have connected this Facebook account with my Instagram account, I will be receiving all the leads as my response here in my workflow. Now that we have to build this connection, I am going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. And now that my Instagram and Facebook are connected, I am going to click on this continue as Jessie. Now here, as I have already logged in my Facebook account, this is an easy authorization, and it is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization. Now here, Instagram lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter the page and the lead gen form. So to get this page, I am going to open my Facebook account. As I told you previously that this is the particular page with the help of which I'll be running all my advertisements. So I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down, select my page as Tech Tribe. And then I have to enter the lead gen form. So to get this lead gen form, we have to enter the lead ads testing tool, which is under Meta for Developers. So I'm going to open my Meta for Developers, and you can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. On the top where I can see all these options, I have to click on this resources, and then I have to go to this developer tools. Now if I scroll down, I can see this lead ads RTO debug tool, and here lead ads testing tool page has appeared in front of me. From over here, I'm going to select my page, which was Tech Tribe, and then I have to select my form. In this drop down, I can find the form which is created under this page by the name lead form, and it has all these fields: first name, last name, email and phone. And I'm going to make the form submission in this particular lead form. So I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down, select my lead gen form as lead form. In this drop down, I can find also an option of all lead gen forms. So if I had multiple forms and I want to receive the response from all of that forms, I could also select this all lead gen form. If you want to receive the response from all of your forms, you can simply select this all lead gen forms. Over here, I want to capture the response from only one form. I'll select that. And then after selecting my page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. Now over here we can see that it has changed to this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means, so as to get the response over here in this workflow, I need to do a submission in my lead ads testing tool, and from over here I am going to do this form submission. After the form submission has been done, all the details should be captured in my Pabbly Connect workflow, and if that happens, this will show me that the connection setup that we have created between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect, that is successful. So here I am going to open my lead ads testing tool, and then I am going to click on this preview form. But before opening my form, I have to make sure that I first delete the lead, and then I have to refresh this page once. And then from this page drop down, I am going to select my page as Tech Tribe and then my form as lead form. Now I am going to click on this preview form. And now I need to enter the details. So let's say my first name is current, my last name is user, my email address is current654@pablytudes.com, and then my phone number is this. Now I need to click on this continue and then click on this submit. Here I have successfully done this form submission, and all these details should be captured in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So let's open my Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down, I can see that I have received the response, and this response is a positive one. As soon as I've done this form submission, I have received all the response here in this workflow. The name that we entered was current, the last name was user, email address was current654@pablytudes.com, and this was the phone number. Now this shows the connection setup that we have created between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect, that is successful. And now whenever I will receive new lead in my Instagram lead ads, I will start receiving the response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I receive new lead in my Instagram lead ads, I want to create go to training registrant. So then in my action application, I'm going to take go to training. And then in my action event, as I have to create the registrant, I'm going to select this and then click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, click on the save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with GoToTraining. Here I've already logged in my GoToTraining account and this was an easy authorization. So now my GoToTraining account is connected with Pabbly Connect and I have to enter all these details. So the first one is that I have to enter the training. In this drop down, I can find that I just have one training, so I'm going to select that. I want to create the registrant in this particular training, Python training, so I'm going to select this. Now I need to enter the rest of the details, but I'm not going to enter any of these details manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. Now here I have received the response from Instagram lead ads, and when I click on this email, I can see this Instagram lead ads, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I have received from there. Here I need to enter my email address and my email address is current654@pabblitudes.com. Now following the same process, I am going to enter my first name, which was current, and then the last name, which is user. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now that I've entered all these details, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see that I have received the response and this response is a positive one. Now I need to open my GoToTraining account and check whether this registrant has been created there or not. So this is my GoToTraining and I am going to refresh this page once. And here I can see that the two registrants have been created. Let's open this. And here this is the current user which has been created as a registrant in my GoToTraining under the same training, Python. So the name was current user, email address was current654@pabblitudes.com. Now to summarize, we took Instagram lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the page and the lead gen form, submitted a form and received the response here in this workflow. Then we moved to the next step where we wanted to create the registrant. So we took GoToTraining as my action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the training name, entered all these details with the help of a method called mapping, clicked on the save and send test request button and received the response as this registrant being created in my GoToTraining account automatically and instantly. And here we have successfully created automation between Instagram lead ads and GoToTraining with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.